Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This gorgeous and spacious 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house is located in the gated community of Breadnut Close, Reading, Montego Bay. There is a office or study area, spacious kitchen and a laundry area. Enjoy the entire upper floor, which is fully furnished, added electronic security, double drive-in garage, and an expansive patio of the living area, giving you sweeping views of the ocean. Internet included, and best of all, move-in ready. The land area of this house is approximately 30,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 2,500 or Jamaican $384.7 thousand per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.